Hi guys, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, hi, hola, ni hao, jumbo. I hope you fall in love with us. So, I'm running because I bragged my mom into taking me to board that local train and we are late. It gets here at 6:30 and it's 6:10, 6:20 and we have to walk there. So this particular commuter train was coming from Ruiru to Nairobi and we had to find a station to which we will board. So we settled for Githurai. Hi, Mami, As you can see, there were too many people, one too many people actually fighting to board and secure a seat in the train. This is how it basically looks while empty. Also, we got to one of the stations. This is how it looks. There are seats where you can sit as you wait to board the train. It's nothing fancy, just the seats. Yeah, so like I said, this particular train was coming from Ruiru. So in brief, I want to tell you the stations which you can board between Ruiru and Nairobi. So the first station is Ruiru, the second is Kahawa West, the third is Githurai, the fourth is Mwiki, the fifth is Dandora, the sixth is Makadara, and the final one is Nairobi. 'At this point, people just kept coming in and coming in. Yeah, and everyone was in everyone's business, to be honest. Everyone was in everyone's business, but people kept coming in and in. Yeah, so disclaimer, you're not supposed to record on the train because the best believe the train attendant will ask you to delete your footages. So as you can see, everyone was in everyone's business at this point. Yeah. But that's because a ticket only goes for 40 Kenya shillings, so it's quite affordable and hakuna jam. There's no jam. Yeah. "40 minutes later, we got to the station in Nairobi, and you're supposed to produce your ticket before they can let you through. You're supposed to produce your ticket, otherwise itakuwa kesi, like you can't pass through there without that ticket. So the moment you pay and they give you that ticket, make sure you maintain it to the end of the journey. So that's us just waiting for our tickets to be checked and be let through. Yeah. I also forgot to tell you all that if you're planning to use the train, it only stops for 2 minutes in every station. So for example, if it's Ruiru and it gets there at 6, it only stands for 2 minutes to let you all board. Then at 6:02 inaenda, like hakuna kungojea watu. So as you can see, hao ni early birds wameenda catch worms. Yeah, the Nairobi station also has buses. I don't remember where they were taking the people, so that's basically it. Yeah. Bye. My moms and I were going for breakfast in town, so that's us at the. This is too much information, man. This is too much information, but we were going for breakfast. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.